Hey, what's up, Tech fam? I'm your host, and welcome to Tech. Honor has officially announced the launch date of its upcoming Magic 8 series smartphone. After recent teasers, the company has now confirmed that the model will debut as the Magic 8 Pro Air. The handset will be unveiled in China on January 19. Recent teasers and leaks have revealed that the Magic 8 Pro Air will be 6.3 millimeters thick and weigh around 155 grams. Leaked images suggest the Magic 8 Pro Air will feature a triple rear camera setup housed in a pill-shaped module, a design that closely resembles the iPhone Air and Google's recent Pixel camera visor. The primary camera is tipped to be a 50-megapixel sensor paired with a large 1.13-inch sensor. Although Honor has yet to confirm any specifications, the device is available for pre-order in 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB storage variants. It is expected to sport a 6.3-inch AMOLED display, MediaTek's Dimensity 9500 chipset, and a 5,500 mAh silicon carbon battery.